These are some hibiscus plant cuttings I received from my relatives, and today we are going to see the entire process of how I planted 7 new plants from these cuttings. I will also share the mistakes I made so that you can avoid them and achieve a 100% success rate. Hello everyone, I am Plant Girl and welcome back to my channel. If you love plants and nature, do check out my channel and subscribe if you find it interesting. So let's get started. Here are a few hibiscus cuttings. They are from two different plants, one with yellow flowers and another one with red layer flowers. I am really excited to grow these at home and watch them bloom. So the first step is to prune all the dead leaves from the cuttings. Here is my pruner and I am sterilizing it first to avoid any fungal infections. Now I am cutting off all the leaves. हमारे सारे कटिंग्स को गंजा कर देंगे. For longer cuttings, I am trimming and dividing them to create more plants. Make sure the size of each cutting is roughly the same as a pencil. While doing this, it is crucial to note the top and bottom sides of each cutting, as any confusion can lead to failure. And here we have our 7 cuttings with all the dead leaves removed. Next, we will scrape the bottom 1 to 2 inches of each cutting. I am using my pruner for this, but you can also use a knife or a blade. The green part we see when scraping shows that the cuttings are fresh and alive. If a cutting is dead, it won't show any green and propagating it won't work. Now our 7 cuttings are ready to be propagated. Next, let's prepare the soil mix. I am using normal garden soil, vermicompost and perlite in a ratio of 60% soil and 20% each for the other two. After mixing them together, I am filling my planter with this mix. The soil mix is ready and I have watered it now. Now I will make space for the cuttings and gently insert them. Here is a mistake I made which I suggest you to avoid. I forgot to apply rooting hormone to my cuttings before planting. I added it later, but ideally you should dip the plant cuttings in a mix of rooting hormone and a fungicide powder beforehand. This will boost the root growth and protect your plant from fungal attacks. And as you have seen, I have not used any kind of fungicide powder here. And this might be the reason for further whatever happened. You will see that later in this video, so just keep watching so that you will get to know what is happening and what you should avoid and everything. After planting, I added some extra soil mix and watered them well. And here is how our cuttings looked on day 1, which is on 26th November 2024. On day 8th, which is on December 4th, 3 of the cuttings already had small leaf nodes with baby leaves. Fast forward to day 18, which is on 14th of December, and all the 7 cuttings have successfully grown. The success rate is 100%. Even the thinnest cutting had started to grow, and I couldn't be happier. But my happiness was short-lived. Here is 12th of January, and while all the cuttings were almost ready to be transplanted and have grown into like such big plants, not big but have grown into kind of mature plants, something unexpected happened. I made a mistake which I don't want you to repeat. Since I propagated all 7 cuttings together in one planter, they had very little space to grow. I had planned to transplant them, but it got delayed. As a result, 2 out of my 7 cuttings developed fungus and didn't survive. It would have been better to plant them separately for better care. So now I am transplanting remaining 5 cuttings into separate planters. They have developed small roots and are ready to thrive in their new homes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do hit the like button, share this with others and encourage them to grow plants from cutting rather than buying them wherever possible. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.